All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of AI video. We've gone through pretty much every tool out there to figure out how you can create some absolutely incredible AI videos without spending a dime.
Okay, so let's start with the big question, the one that's on everyone's mind. Because if you've spent any time at all looking for creative tools online, you have definitely bumped into this issue.
So here's the truth of it. Most of the tools that scream free from the rooftops, they're really just free trials. You know the drill, right? They're designed to hook you in, let you play around a bit, and then bam, you hit a paywall. A perfect example is Grok. It used to be one of the best free options out there, but, well, not anymore.
But hey, don't worry. We've done the hard work for you. We've waded through all of that to find the real exceptions, the genuine hidden gems. So let's get into your guide to the best tools you can start using, like right now.
All right, first up, we're going to look at a couple of tools that are just perfect for when you need to whip up some short, simple, and really effective video clips. And fast.
So the first one that really stands out is Kling AI. Get this, it's totally free, there are no watermarks, and honestly, the quality is shockingly good. It's especially great if you're animating images that you made with another free tool, something like Nano Banana 2. It's just perfect for those short, cinematic clips you see all over social media.
But there's a catch. Of course there's a catch. The absolute maximum length you can generate is just 5 seconds per clip. So, yeah, that's a pretty big limitation you got to keep in mind.
And this brings up a really clear trade-off you'll have to make. If you absolutely need longer clips, you could jump over to AI. It gives you about 10 to 15 seconds, and it has no daily limits, which is great. The big downside, though, the video quality takes a major nosedive. So it's that classic dilemma, do you want length or do you want quality?
So what if you want both? I mean, who doesn't, right? You want those longer clips, but you also want that high quality. Well, this next tool, it has a pretty brilliant solution for that exact problem.
Yeah, this quote absolutely nails it, and it's the perfect intro for Meta AI. The secret sauce here is this incredibly powerful model called MovieGen. And this thing is no joke. It was actually designed for filmmakers and was even tested out in Hollywood.
And you can really see just how powerful this is. I mean, when you put a video from the totally free Meta AI right next to one from a paid model, like Google's, the results are, wow. They are remarkably close in terms of realism and detail. It's kind of crazy.
And it's not just about that raw quality either. Meta AI gives you a ton of creative flexibility. You can just let the AI do its thing and control the animation, or you can jump in and guide it with your own custom prompts. And maybe the best part? It's super fast. Most of your clips are going to be ready in under a minute.
Okay, now, for those of you who want the absolute maximum amount of control, we need to talk about One AI. But you should know right up front, this tool plays by a completely different set of rules.
So the crucial difference here is that One AI is what's called open source. Now what that means for you is that it runs on your computer, not on some company's servers in the cloud. The upside is huge. You get unlimited, free generations. The trade-off, though, can be pretty rough. You might be looking at some seriously long wait times for your video to finish.
But look, if you've got that patience, the reward is pretty sweet. You get access to a bunch of pro-level features that you just won't find in any of the other free tools. We're talking things like creating consistent characters, editing videos with just text props, or even matching the whole look and feel of a reference video. It's powerful stuff.
But let's be super clear about the two major drawbacks here. First, you have to be willing to put up with those potentially crazy long wait times. And second, every single video you make is going to have a visible watermark slapped on it. No getting around that.
Okay, so we've looked at all these great individual tools, but what's the smartest way to actually put them all together? What's the most effective workflow to get the absolute best results? But before we lay out that workflow, here's a quick bonus for you, Hugging Face. If you don't know it, think of it as this giant, massive library of free AI models for everything. Now for video, there is a daily limit, but there's a pretty clever little workaround. If you use a VPN to switch your IP address, you can actually reset that limit. A little pro tip for you. And that brings us to the ultimate free workflow. It's actually pretty simple. Step 1. Generate a really high-quality image using a free tool like Nano Banana 2. Step 2. Animate that image. You can use Kling AI if you just need a quick clip, or jump over to Meta AI if you want higher quality. The beauty of this combo? You get fantastic, realistic, high-quality results with absolutely no watermarks.
So there you have it. You now have the playbook.
Everything you need to start making some amazing AI videos completely for free. But the next big mountain to climb, that's character consistency. How do you make your characters look exactly the same from one scene to the next?